What's up guys, welcome to another video. I haven't been recording, but I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be heading over to Fontana. We're gonna be swapping a core support on my brother's IS300. The core support is pretty messed up. That's why you can see nothing right here lines up. It's like hood needs to come down more, and he is getting a new bumper, new fenders. Hood is gonna be repainted. This is my old chassis, if you know. He's gonna fix this. I don't want to put the money into fixing the rear, but we're already starting with the front with the help of my buddy Daniel Taco. So we'll be doing that today. So we're about to head out to Fontana out there in Colton, so let's get it. So I also forgot to mention that over here where I'm going, my buddy Daniel Taco's friend builds PCs for gaming and stuff like that, and actually I'm getting built one, so I'm also gonna be picking that up. I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna see it new right now also, so I'll put that in this video and show it to you guys too. He built that PC for gaming and for editing, so now I can edit. I can get a sick ass editing app to edit my videos. I don't have to use my phone anymore. So hopefully that picks up the resolution of the camera, and I can get better pictures, better videos, and all that stuff. So yeah, so once I see that PC, I'll be recording too. Hopefully, supposedly it's gonna be sick with LEDs and stuff. So let's get it. I'm not too familiar with PCs. I don't really know much about them, but I'm learning about them. So as long as I can edit on it and play some games with the homies, it's sick. So yeah, we're on our way out there right now. We're already the freeway, so yep, let's get this. All right, so we're already gonna start tearing this up. Gonna pull the whole front end off,
turn your ass up,
and then start pulling the fenders, headlights, bumpers, and get this thing going. Hell yeah, boy. Let's get this. Just a little quick update, and we got one set already out, which is this old one. This headlight bracket's almost coming out. We're drilling out the spot welds. Gonna start removing this piece. Already got it out from this side over here. Quick. What you gotta say, Daniel?
it's pretty hot.
It's hot as fuck under this tent in the fucking heat. San Bernardino weather. Sheesh. Colton, I mean, sorry.
Colton.
But yeah, it's coming along pretty smooth as of right now. So yeah, hopefully we get that shit going, boys. So we got the whole front end already situated. Stop recording because we got into it, so turned into a fucking nightmare, kind of. But it's already mocked up. I just need headlights now. Put coolant and just connect everything back up, like the air filter and little stuff like that. It's the easy part now, bumper and shit. But I still haven't seen my PC, so I'm gonna see it right now in a bit. Alright, so this is the final result of the core support we did, and right now it is zip tied because the headlights are the brackets are messed up, so we'll be putting clips on this. But right now it is zip tied, and this bumper is gonna get replaced, and fenders. But as of right now, this is how it looks. It's all pretty nice and clean, how it's supposed to be. The hood and everything lines up clean. Like everything lines up back to normal. As you saw in the first videos, it wasn't incorrect. It was all like crooked, but that's how it is. That's how we do right here. All finished up. And then right now after this, I'm gonna show you guys my PC. Like I told you guys, I built, well, my homie built for me, and it's already up and running, downloading games and shit. But yep, this one's finished. So here's my new PC. I bought this keyboard separately and this mouse, but this is a PC build I went to go pick up. I got a little late, busy, and then try to finish up that car, so I couldn't record the PC when I saw it. But check this out, so sick. So now I can edit on this computer and the game. Really like the computer, the PC. It's just so sick. It's a little corner now where I'll be. Had to add the sauce. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, definitely got more coming. Thank you.